Good morning, students. Today we are going to start the new chapter, that is arithmetic progression of class 10th NCERT. Rest of the chapters I think my co-teacher has taught you. I'm going to start the new chapter. The name of the new chapter is arithmetic progression. Actually, what is arithmetic progression? That I'm going to tell you. Okay, that I'm going to tell you first. For that, please look at here. What is arithmetic progression? I'm going to tell you what is AP. What is AP? Arithmetic progression को हम लोग बेटा शॉर्ट में कहते हैं AP. What is arithmetic progression? When we take a number and we have to find out the next number to add something or to subtract something, and that procedure I do again and again, then such type of sequences which I find it out, that will be an AP. Are you getting what I'm saying? Suppose the first term I have, that is 2. Next term, that suppose that I'm adding 3 in the numbers, we will get what? The next number we will get what? 5. When we will add 3 again, we will get what? 8. When we will add 3 again, we will get what? 11. Then after what? That will be 14. Then after 17. Then after what? 20. Then after what? 23. Then this is the AP. Means what? When you subtract or add something in all the terms, means always you are adding something or you are subtracting the same number, then which sequences you are getting, that will be AP. Are you getting what I am saying? Suppose you have given a number 5 and sorry, and you have to add 3 in, always you have to add 3, then next number you will get 8, then after you will get 11, then after what? Next number, that will be 14, then after what? There will be 17, there will be what? 20. Then you can check here what is the difference in the consecutive numbers. Here what is the difference? That is also 3. Here what is the difference? 3. Here what is the difference? 3. Here what is the difference? 3. Means you can say, if you have given so many numbers and the difference of the consecutive numbers is same, then that sequence is known as AP, means arithmetic progression. I think all of you have got it. What I want to say to you, that what is AP? Always we will not add it only. We can subtract it only. Suppose that the first number is given here, that is also 5 I am saying, and always I have to subtract 2. Then the next number will be what? 3. Then next number will be what? 1. When we will subtract 2 from 1, we will get what? -1. Then after -3. Then after -5. Then after what? -7. Then after -9. Then after -11, and so on. And so on and so on. के लिए we use the 3 dots. Okay, 3 dots for and so on we use. Okay, means when you are adding or subtracting in the to find out the next term, then such type of sequences is known as AP. Okay, you can check here what is the difference, that is 2. You can check here what is the difference, that is also 2 difference. You know what is the means of difference? Means we have to subtract the greater we have to subtract the smaller number by the greater number. I think all of you get what is the AP. What is an AP? Arithmetic progression means when we are getting the numbers after adding or subtracting. Actually we add or subtract in all the terms. That is why this difference is known as common difference. Okay, now we will go to the exercise. The first exercise is written here. What? Now students, this is the first exercise. Okay, now look at here. We will not solve the first question first. We will solve the question number. We will solve the question number 3 first. Okay, first we will solve the question number 3 or 2. Okay, I'm going to start the question number 2. Okay, now look at here. That is a very simple question also, but you must know that what you are going to do. Okay, yes, it is writing now. Or please wait for a time, student. Okay, now what is the second question is written here. Write first 4 terms of the AP. Write first 4 terms of the AP when the first term and the common difference D are given as follows. Okay, Now the first term is given here what 10 in the first question and difference is what 10, and we have to write down the first four terms. The first term is what 10. Okay, tell me the next term by which you will get the difference 10 only. Okay, you will get what 20, you will get what the next number 30, you will get what the next number 40. These are the four terms where the difference is what 10. Difference is what 10. Okay, and the first term is what 10. Okay, here you can check the difference here between 20 and 30 also you can check what is the difference. Between 30 and 40 also you can check what is the difference. Here the difference is what 10 as the question is saying, and the first term is what 10. Okay, are you getting what is what I am saying to you? The first term is denoted by what A1, the second term is denoted by what A2, the third term is denoted by what A3, fourth term is denoted by what A4, 20th term is denoted by what A20, nth term is denoted by what AN. Okay, here one more thing I want to tell you. Look at here very properly, students. Okay, what I told you, suppose that for the first number is 5 and the difference is 3. Okay, then we will write down the next number 8, then after 11, then after 14, and so on is written here. Okay, and so on. Okay, now this 5 is the first term, that is why it will be what A1. This 8 is the second term, that why it will you can write 8 as A2, means A1 is 5, A2 is 8, but you do not write down like this. How you will write down? Wait for a minute, not for a minute. A1 is what? That is equals to 5. A2 is what? That is equals to 8. A3 is what? That is equals to 11. A4 is equals to what? That is 14. Okay, this is the first term, second term, third term, and this is the fourth term. Okay, now I had written here what 5, 8, 11, and 14. Now we have to find out the difference. Difference means what is the difference between two consecutive numbers? Means between the second term and the first term. This is A2 minus A1. This is the difference. That will be what? 8 minus 5. That will be 3. You can find out from here also 8 and 11. Then 11 minus 8. That will also be 3. Means here the difference always remains constant or equal. That is why this sequence is known as what? AP. Okay, and one more formula we have, that 5, 8, 11. Suppose I am saying to you that you have to find out the 25th term. Okay, if I will say to you that you have to find out 25th term, then will you write down the sequence up to 25th term? No, we have one general formula, that is AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 times of D. Minus 1 times of D. What is A? A is known as the first term. Okay, A is known as the first term. You can ask to me, sir, you had told me that A1 or A, both are the same. Okay, and means which term do you want to find out? Means I am saying that we have to find out 25th term, means the value of N will be what? 25. Okay, D is a common difference. You can find out D by D by second term minus first term, or third term minus second term, or fourth term minus third term. Okay, fifth term minus fourth term, means any consecutive numbers you can subtract. Okay, by it you will get what? You will get the difference between two numbers, or you can get the common difference in that sequence, in that series, or the name of the series is what? AP. I think you have got now what I have to understand. Suppose the same sequence is given here 5, 8, 11, 14. Okay, and we have to find out 25th term. What I have told you, what is the formula of nth term? That is what? A plus N minus 1 times of what? D. Okay, we have to find out 25th term, means at the place of N I will write down what? 25. What is the first one? That you can look at here, that is 5. We have to find out 25th term, means the value of N is what? 25. 25 minus 1, that will be what? 24. Okay, tell me what is the difference? The difference is only 3. Okay, 5 will be as it is. 24 plus 3, that will be 72. 72 plus 5, that will be what? 77. This will be the 25th term of this given series or arithmetic progression. Okay, students, I think all of you have got it. Now I am going to do the next question. Suppose it is written here what? 15, 10, 5, then after 0, then after minus 5. This is an AP. It is given to you. Okay, tell me what is the first term. You will tell me, sir, the first term is what? 15. What is the difference? You will tell me, sir, second term minus the first term, that is what? 10 minus 15, that will be minus 5 is the difference now. Okay. And I have to find out the 10th term. Then you will tell me the formula, sir, a plus n minus 1 times of d. Okay, at the place of n, I will add on what? 10. Why? Because we have to find out the 10th term. And this is the formula of what? Nth term. This is the formula of what? Nth term. Okay, at the place of a, I will add on what? At the place of a, I will add on what? 15 plus. At the place of n, I will add on 10. 10 minus 1, that will be 9. What is the value of d? That is what? Minus 5. Now you can solve it what? 15 minus 45. What is the value of 15 minus 45? That will be minus 30. I think all of you have got it, that what I wanted to tell you. Okay. Okay, dear students, I had to talk to you the exercise, but now in this lecture I am not taking the exercise. I am going to tell you one more question in this introduction video. Suppose that you have given one more question, that is, the first term is 7, the next term is 11, the next term is 15. Okay, tell me what will be the next term. First you find out what is the difference here, that is the difference is 4. Then the next one will be 19. The next one will be what? 23, and so on you will say. Okay, if I will ask that what is the 10th term, can you tell me? Then you will say yes, sir. What is the formula of nth term? That is a plus n minus 1 times of d. We have to find out the 10th term, means the value of n is what? That is 10. What is the first term? That is given here 7. We have to find out the 10th term, means the value of n is what? 10. 10 minus 1, that will be 9. And value of d, that will be what? Only 4. Do you know that how I have find it out? Second term minus first term. Okay, students. 7 as it is, 9 4 the what? That will be 36. 36 plus 7. That will be what? 36 plus 4, that will be 40. Then after that will be 43. I think all of you have got it. Okay, students. Now we will discuss exercise. Okay, students. We will discuss the exercise in the next lecture. Okay, thank you. And please read some examples. I think you will get more from there also. Okay, thank you.